when the skin relaxes, when you're older, the response of the pores is to dilate, to become bigger. Number one cause of large pores, especially when you get older, is genetics. There are some people who produce more oil when they were young, so there's a hyperactivity of the oil glands. So the pores, it becomes bigger, especially when they age. And then, second cause of big pores would be the aging process. When you age, you lose the elasticity of the skin. So what happens, the pores, it relaxes. When the skin relaxes, when you're older, the response of the pores is to dilate, to become bigger as a response to the lessening of the elasticity of the skin. So those are the common cause of big pores. Also, we usually shed our dead skin cells every 15 days to 30 days. So we renew the skin every 15 to 30 days. But as we age, like for 30 and above, it becomes like longer, like 35 to 40 days. So what happens, the dead skin cells, it gets clogged in the pores, including the oil. So it's not exfoliated, or no desquamation is happening. So that's why the occlusion of the dead skin cells, and then the sweat, and then the oil in the pores, there's a tendency to make it appear look big because of the decrease in skin cell turnover. So that's why it's best to exfoliate and to put retinoic acid. We have this Coquille Peel Kit, which contains 50 to 70% glycolic acid. So this is a medical grade. So what it does, it removes the dead skin cells in one session. So we recommend that once a month. But if you're at home, what you can do, the ones available in the market is around 2% to 12% glycolic acid. Those are the AHA cleansers, AHA toner, and then you start first by doing this 3 times a week. The best is probably toner, medicated toner, or cream with alpha-hydroxy acid. You try first 3 times a week because some people, they might react, since it strips off the dead skin cells, it might cause irritation or dryness of the skin. So if you experience dryness, I would recommend to use it with a very good moisturizer to bring back the moisture, to lessen the inflammation of the skin while removing or exfoliating the dead skin cells.